Searching Google Scholar. This video will cover when to use Google Scholar, how to get the full text of an article, where to find citation information, and using the Cited By feature. When should you use Google Scholar? Unlike the subject-specific databases on the library's website, Google Scholar is a broad search engine, and it is a good resource when you can't find what you are looking for in our subject-specific databases. Also, it is a good resource when you are looking for a specific article that you know the title of. It is important to get to Google Scholar through the CSP library page. This tells Google Scholar that you are a CSP student and will link you to our full text of the article. To get to the CSP Google Scholar link, on the library homepage, click on the Databases tab. Then select the letter G and go down to the link for Google Scholar. Then, search your research topic in the Google Scholar search bar. Notice that the Google Scholar results are not necessarily the most recent research on this topic. For more recent research, you can use the filters on the left-hand side. For example, I use Since 2016 to get research that was published in the last few years. To access the full text of an article, look on the right-hand side for the Get It at CSP link. The full text may also be available through another link. If there is no link on the right-hand side, you can click on the two right-facing arrows to find the Get It at CSP link. Let's take a closer look at an article listing in Google Scholar. On the right-hand side, you'll see we have our Get It at CSP button, and if we look right under the article, there are these two quotation marks, and when you click on it, you can access the article citation information, which can be copied and put into your paper. Be sure to review these citations as they are computer generated. The Cited By feature lists articles that have directly cited this article. Here you can see Google Scholar provides a list of the 382 articles that have cited the gene therapy article listed at the top. By selecting the box Search Within Cited Articles, you can actually search within that collection of 382 articles. The Cited By feature is especially useful if you have an older article and you want to find newer research on that topic. For more information, contact the library using our chat service, library.csp.edu/chat, or by email, library@csp.edu.